Hello students, let us set this question. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are the supplementary. So we have given pair of angles, and from this pair of angles we have to identify the complementary and supplementary angle pair of angles. So let us first understand what do we mean by complementary and supplementary angles. So complementary angles are if sum of angles is 90 degree, or we can say that if sum of pair of angles is 90 degree, then we call such angles as complementary angle. And for supplementary angle, if sum of pair of angles is 180 degree, then we call such angles as or we call such pair of angles as supplementary angles. So let us first consider the first pair, 65 and 115. 65 degree and 115 degree. So let us find out the sum of angles. Sum will be 65 degree plus 115. So this comes out to be 180. Now since the sum is 180 degree, so therefore we can say that therefore 65 and 115 are supplementary angles. Now let us consider the next pair, 63 and 27. 63 degree and 27 degrees. Let us calculate the sum. So 63 plus 27. The sum comes out to be 90 degree. Now since the sum is 90 degree, we can say that therefore 63 degree and 27 degree are complementary angles. Now let us consider the next pair of angles. So we have given 112 and 68. 112 and 68. Let us calculate the sum. So 112 degree plus 68 degrees, the sum comes out to be 180 degree. Now since the sum is 180 degree, therefore we can say that 112 and 68 degrees are supplementary angles. Let us consider the next pair, 130 degree and 50 degree. 130 degree and 50 degree. Let us calculate the sum. So 130 plus 50 degree. So therefore sum comes out to be 180 degree. Now since the sum is 180, so we can say that 130 and 50 degree are supplementary angles. Consider the next. So 45 and 45 degree. 45 degree and 45 degree. First we will calculate the sum. So sum will be 45 plus 45. So therefore sum comes out to be 90 degree. Now since the sum is 90 degree, we can see that 45 degree and 45 degree are complementary angles. Now let us consider the next pair. We have 80 and 120. So the next pair is 80 and 80 and 10. Let us calculate the sum. So 80 degrees plus 10 degrees, sum comes out to be 90 degree. Since the sum is 90 degree, we can say that therefore 80 degree and 10 degree are complementary angles. So in this question, we have used the concept of complementary and supplementary angles to find out the which pair of the angle is complementary and which pair of the angle is supplementary. So I hope you have understood it well, and thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.